Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to factory reset Eufy X10 Pro Omni Robotic Vacuum. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be having problems with your Eufy X10 Pro Omni Robotic Vacuum here, and you're wondering how to exactly reset it. Well, this one is fairly easy. So in this case, on the vacuum itself, you want to press and hold the home and spot cleaning button at the same time. Now, you might be wondering what are those buttons? Well, in this case, it's going to be the home button and the spot cleaning button. Now, just use both fingers and hold them down together for about 3 seconds. Now, remember, the full duration here, 3 seconds. Now, after holding those buttons, you'll hear a voice prompt from the RoboVac here. It'll say something like the Wi-Fi has been reset, and that's your signal that it actually worked. Now, once you hear that, release the buttons, boom, your vacuum is now reset to its factory settings, and you're now good. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like, subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.